Alright, this is how to cancel service light on Volvo S40, V40 2015 onwards. What you do is you put the key in the ignition, okay, then you click it once. You'll hear the steering lock activate. Oh, Then it's very simple. All you do is you press the OK button and then you press and hold the start stop button. And just keep on holding it. The menu will come on. And you will see it will eventually start to flash a small light. See, you can see it's flashing. As it flashes, you release it. You can hear it makes an audible sound. Switch the key off. If you switch it back on again, then you'll be able to see that the service light is cancelled. And if you cycle through the menus, you'll be able to go to your service status, and then you will see the service light has been reset. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.